Hello, you're welcome back to Toast Kitchen, and if you are new, welcome to Toast Kitchen. Today we're going to be doing beef casserole. With beef casserole, you could actually add gravy, but in this recipe, we're not going to be using gravy at all. So it's just a very easy way of making it at home. You can enjoy it with rice, pasta. You can also enjoy it all by itself. So I'm going to be using just the beef, some broccoli, some mushrooms, carrots, and this flour. I'm going to be using it for the beef, and then I've got some mixed herbs there, onions and garlic, and that is all. It's a very simple recipe that you can enjoy at home at any time. Now let's go. The first thing is for me to dice the onions, and for the onions, unlike other meals, the best way to do it is just to leave it in chunks this way, so that it can be very prominent in the beef casserole. And then my garlic, I'm going to just dice it into bits, just to let you know also that the beef has already been boiled, well seasoned, and this is the beef stock, because we're going to be using the stock for the beef casserole, and that's why you're not seeing any extra seasoning. And because we're using the stock, I'm not going to be adding Maggi, sugar, or whatsoever kind of seasoning, just the mixed herbs. Yeah, so now everything is set. It's time for us to go to the cooking part. Come with me. So the first thing to do, I've got my pot on fire, is to pour the oil. This oil is actually much. You could decide to use the regular one. I've got the stir fry oil normally, but I'm actually not using that. And then while the oil is on fire, the next thing would be for me to get my beef ready. And how do I do that? I'm going to pour in the beef into the bowl and then add some flour. For better mixing, you could actually use your hands, but in this video, I decided to use just this turning utensil for it. Having mixed the beef with the flour, I'm going to pour it into my oil. Then allow it to fry. It's not necessary for you to have boiled your beef before doing this. You could decide to put the beef raw, just season it a little, and then you stir fry until it's cooked, just like we did in, I don't know if you've seen the video on white sauce pasta that I did some time ago. You can refer to that video. Alright, so now having fried the beef enough, I'm going to pour it back into the bowl. Then I'll pour the beef stock into my plate. Add the garlic and the onions. I'm going to be adding a bit of chili just to give it a bit of hotness. A little bit of water. It smells really good already. Okay, so you can decide to also use red wine, right? But then I don't do alcohol, so I'm not using red wine in this, so that's why I'm using just the beef stock. It's a very easy sauce to make, very easy recipe. Pour back our beef, stir together, add the carrots, my mushroom, and I'm going to be adding the broccoli last. So like I said, we're meant to add some gravy, and that's what gives it that, you know, thick liquid in it, but I'm not going to be using gravy in this video. When it comes to making of food, you can do whatever style that you want, just anything that satisfies your taste bud. I'm going to cover it and allow it to boil up for a while. Okay. I'm now adding a bit of herbs to it. Yes, it's covered. Now our beef casserole is ready. Let's go for 7. You can decide to eat this alone, or you can have it with maybe rice. This looks so delicious. This is another option for someone who loves rice and would always have every sauce with rice. I know some of them like that. So this can also go perfectly with rice. Now we're done with today's cooking. I hope you've enjoyed watching, and do not forget, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please kindly do so. I'll see you again next time, and don't forget also to drop comments in the comment section whether you've tried it at home, you loved it, maybe there are some special other ingredients that you like to add to your beef casserole. I'll see you again next time. Bye.